Hey, I'm going to give you some feedback on this paper or this submission. Mostly it's great, um, but now I can see an error here where you have to, um, yeah, this is, and and you use, I assume that's AS, right? So that's going to be A.S, something like that. Okay. You have to use APA 7 format, and this is something that's going to jump out at someone reading this. And so I'm going to point out a few things. First of all, these quotes are not there, so that shouldn't be there. You're using and as opposed to the and sign. You shouldn't be using et al. You should be listing all the authors there. You've got this title, and that's in sentence case, not title case, which is fine. This should be in italics. The journal and the issue should be in italics. And then you have to provide the full link. I noticed you just put a DOI number, but you have to put the full link into the DOI, and you do not put a period afterwards. Again, we're getting rid of this. There's no quotes around the titles. So that's fine. In this case, I made a chance. It's fourth edition. I think you had EDN or something lowercase, so that's not. And it's probably not the right way because it looks like it's a chapter. So you'd have to look up chapters for APA 7, but I think we're okay for now. I made some changes on this one. This is a chronicle. If you're going to do a blog or an online article, which you really need to be careful because those aren't exactly the best sources, unless we're just looking sort of at general information. This is where the date goes. It doesn't go afterwards. And then you have a link directly to the article. Okay, and then I'm just looking at this. I've already gone over this. By the way, there's an indented here. Just so you know, I'm using something called a hanging indent. So that means that it allows you to hang the indent, right? So that's how references are presented. Might as well get used to it because I notice these things. You have a link to an article, so therefore you put the link in there. Same thing here, the DOI, and I'm just trying to see what else that I have to add to this. This is also a link, no period after here. So that should just move into a link. It turns blue, and then that's a link. You don't put the location of the publication anymore, just the actual publisher. And so, yeah, those are just a few quick comments about references.